Our multifunctional solid carbide end mills adopt ultrafine grain carbide substrates and wear-resistant composite coatings with optimized spiral chip flutes. Capable of roughing, finishing, grooving, chamfering, and contour machining. They work for steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and cast iron, featuring smooth cutting and strong anti-vibration performance. The cutters resist chipping and built-up edge to reduce tool replacement costs. Every product undergoes strict full inspection with precision testing equipment for diameter tolerance, runout, hardness, and surface finish. Defective items are screened out thoroughly. Qualified cutters are packaged by specification with batch labels for standardized warehousing. Standard items ship promptly from stock, while custom specifications are produced and delivered on schedule. Reliable quality ensures long service life to boost customers' production efficiency.